In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account in 2025. Whether you're taking a break from social media or just need some downtime, here's how you can effectively deactivate your account on both the mobile app and desktop. First, let's start with the Facebook app. Open up the app on your smartphone. Look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. If you're on an iPhone, you'll find it at the bottom right of your screen. On Android, it's located at the top right. Tap on this menu icon, then scroll down until you see an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on that and then select Settings. This will take you to a new menu where you can manage your account details. From here, scroll down until you find Access and Control, which is under the Accounts Center section. Tapping on this will bring up additional options. Click on Personal Details and then select Account Ownership and Control. This is your destination for tweaking how your account functions. Next, you'll need to tap Deactivation or Deletion. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the Facebook account you want to deactivate. Choose the option for Deactivate Account and make sure you don't accidentally select Delete, as that's a more permanent action. Once you make your selection, go ahead and tap Continue to Account Deactivation. The app will prompt you for a reason why you're deactivating your account. It's optional to provide an explanation, so don't worry about skipping this part if you're in a hurry. Tap Continue. You'll then be asked to enter your password to confirm this action. Once you've entered your password, tap Deactivate. Congratulations, your Facebook account is now temporarily deactivated. Your profile won't be visible in searches, but you can log back in anytime to reactivate your account. Now, if you're using a computer, the steps are slightly different. Start by opening your web browser and visiting facebook.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, look at the top right corner for your profile photo. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy and then Settings from the options. In the left panel that appears, find and click on Account Center. Under Account Settings, you will see Personal Details. Click on this and then choose Account Ownership and Control. This will take you to the page where you can deactivate your account. Once again, go to Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account if necessary, and click on Deactivate Account. Then proceed to Continue. Follow the on-screen steps to finalize deactivation, and there you have it. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop, you've now learned how to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily.